Ain't no fun, baby, around. Here we go. Here we go in the game. So we're gonna be playing Reload the Night. Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Next game we're gonna be playing Roblox. All the popular games we're gonna be playing. Let me dance all alone. Tom? Jerry? Jerry, come. Let me dance all. Oh, there's an OG now. We're gonna be learning. Not actually. You know, not watching, please like and subscribe and share. Oh my gosh, what did they give me? Full out. Riches, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I didn't see that.
Very good. Nice seeing you again. Yeah. Seems like it. Interesting. So how are you? I hope everything is fine. And where is Gloria? Yes, please. But I need to take a deep rest. Thank you. Bye, Michael. Check. There is something on my head. Get down and check. And find out if it's what I think it is.
They must stop.
Say something.
Oh my god, this guy is so good. Oh my.
I'm listening.
I think this is the work of agents. Agents of darkness, sir.
What is it?
Agents of principalities and powers.
So you mean the panties and powers now wear panties? Does that make any sense to you? Sorry,
Sir,
this is not for you.
sir, I think this cannot be for me now. It's not going to size me. Sir, this thing is big. It can't size me, sir.
So, I leave this house with this for you.
Yes, sir.
Listen, why are you watching? What? You are coughing. You need water.
No, sir.
You need water. Then why you? Say something.
Something's crying. Crying.
Eh? You go my inisi?
You're looking at this man's how
Ni bila pumpan.
we call this man's air condition pants. You're looking at
Family,
colorful this
Netflix,
person
no?
love Valentine's Day. And looking
Ako na ba ni Jun?
this
Ah?
person's fire.
Para jokes, steady ko.
Okay, yun. Nice feet.
Very well. Very classy. I was saying, you should have used this. Didn't fall off your bag. You didn't fall off your bag. You just have some problem. If I mistakenly, no, listen. Are you that I am wise or above for you of the women? No, sir, I told you. I will never see that. So I cannot tell you when I'm being changed.
Oh, sir. I know what happened now. It's the rat.
Don't talk this thing
The
now.
rat. Sir, the rat has been disturbing this whole house. The rat must have brought this pants here. He carried my own bra, my bra. He carried it to his room.
Yes, it is my new boxer shorts in her room.
Yes, sir.
Did I tell you? Rats.
Yes, sir.
Are you saying rats in the house?
Sir, a lot of rats, but we have cleared everything. We didn't even know that this pants was even here. We've cleared everything.
Then it means we need to completely clean it.
Yes, sir, you don't even need any fumigation, sir. We already took care of everything, sir. We already took care of everything. Yes, sir. And the rats, sir, they are very bad. I'm so happy they did not bring your boxers to our room.
Can we even wash it? Sir, this rat we are saying not be normal rat in Nigeria rat, but Mongolese rat.
Very big.
If you see their left lash is shaved, very smooth. Go. You are confusing me. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Very smooth. What was Mongolese rat? What is now? What now? What I did to you? Come on, me. Don't start with me. This is what happened when you don't do your work. Please, tell me you're saying that. But let me explain to you. Firstly, I told you, I advised you, don't bring what? Bubbles. You bought them and now they were craving their blood. Bring single people. You didn't. Then I told you all these things. It's happening now. It's your own idea. What's happening? Thirdly, you left all the work on me. I was doing this all work. If I bought the house, what is coming from the work?
No, talk now. Stop. Let me hear you. Stop. No, you cannot talk.
Now, wow. What I'm saying, bro. Don't lie me now. My hand side are not good. What are you saying?
Open your eye.
Carry on.
We can make a lot of money today. Don't you like this money? You like it, Abby? Let's preach it. Let's preach it together.
My guy. Wow. Lay out to that door.
Double crown win, man. Oh, damn. No, man. I am the one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Lots of credit.